Alright guys, we're so excited today because we're going to give you a little hair hack on how to get the best curly hair but look super natural. So, as you can see, I'll show you on this video her before of what her hair is before, and her natural curl is literally so cute. And we put natural curly extensions in, so it matches literally perfectly. But what you want to remember with curly hair is you want to remember you don't want to do a ton to it until it dries, because you don't want to make it frizzy or you don't want to make it too poofy. So the main thing that I do is in the shower, I shampoo, condition, and if you have curly hair, condition in the shower and brush the conditioner through, because once you rinse that all out, you don't really want to brush your hair after that. You want to get out of the shower, and I'm going to put this in. It's Curl Revive, okay? It just helps with the curly hair, and all you're going to do is kind of scrunch it in there and just like scrunch it through like so. And I'm not gonna brush it or anything because I don't want it to start getting frizzy at all. Like, I want it to kind of just dry natural. And then I love this surf oil from Goldwell, and I'm just gonna kind of spray it all through. Nothing crazy. And then also the Olaplex Oil. Just like a couple drops of that, nothing crazy. I'm just gonna kind of run that through. And then once you do that, you're gonna literally just keep scrunching it. And then I'll literally have her flip her head over like this. And I will just like keep scrunching it like non-stop. And you can even like take a towel. Her hair's already like starting to dry. But I'll even like take a towel and just like keep scrunching and keep her like that. And if you wanted, you could just barely take this diffuser and just kind of scrunch it up and get it to dry a little more. Still just kind of scrunching it in there. Okay, flip back. Oh my god. And then just kind of keep scrunching it, but kind of just letting it air dry. And I feel like that's the best way to like style curly hair. I just feel like the less you do, the better. And it just kind of dries natural and looks so cute. So there you have it, folks. A curly hair tutorial. If you have any other questions, just ask down below. We'll try to help you answer them. But thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.